Hi guys! Today we will be looking at articles a versus an. The choice of the articles a or an is based upon the sound of the first letter in a word, not on written representation of the letter. If the first letter makes a vowel sound, you use an. Okay, now let's look at these words. They all begin with a vowel letter. They all have a vowel sound. So, which article are we going to use? Yes, we will be using an. So here we have and. So we will say an ant. Here we have egg. So we will say an egg. We have the word igloo. So we will say an igloo. Here we have the word orange. So we will say an orange. And here we have the word umbrella. So we will have to say an umbrella. Let's read the phrases. An ant, an egg, an igloo, an orange, and umbrella. If the first letter produces a consonant sound, you use a. Okay, now let's look at these words. All of these words begin or produce a consonant sound. So we will be using the article a. Let's go. A book. A book. A cat. A door. A fish. A glove. A horse. A jar. A kite. A lice. A map. A notebook. A pan. A quilt. A ram. A snake. A teddy. A vase. A whale. A xylophone. A yak. A zipper. However, remember that there are some exceptions to these rules. Use an before a silent H. Now, here we have some words with the letter H. And all of the H's in these words are silent. And as you can see, there's a vowel after the H. It produces a vowel sound. Here we have the O, the and the again. So here we're going to put the article an honor. This is silent. An honor. An air. Silent H. An hourglass. Silent H. Some words that begin with vowels don't actually start with a vowel sound. The beginning sound is pronounced like U, which is actually a consonant sound, which then requires the article a. Let's look at these words. The beginning sound is pronounced U, so we will use the article a. Let's go. A European trip. A union. A URL. A unicorn. A eulogy. Words that make a W sound but begin with the letter O use the A. So here we will put a one-time thing. One-time thing. A once in a lifetime opportunity. A one-on-one meeting. A goes before words that begin with consonants. An goes before words that begin with vowels. Now, let's practice. I bought blank umbrella yesterday. Great job. I bought an umbrella yesterday. Joel drives blank purple car. Amazing. Joel drives a purple car. Kelly decided to read blank book. Super job. Kelly decided to read a book. The journalist wrote about blank alligator attack. Amazing. The journalist wrote about an alligator attack. Connor wanted blank ice cream cone. Excellent job. Connor wanted an ice cream cone. Blank dog barked at my friend. Super job. A dog barked at my friend. Blank eager child ran into the store. Amazing. An eager child ran into the store. Mark picked blank orange from his friend's tree. Super job! Mark picked an orange from his friend's tree. I went to blank restaurant. Great job! I went to a restaurant. Blank woman was driving too fast. Amazing! A woman was driving too fast. Thank you very much, everyone. I really hope this video was helpful. Please remember, you can look in the description and you will find many more videos to help you with grammar. You will also find videos to help you with reading. And don't forget that our decodable readers are available on Amazon. And don't forget to subscribe. Bye!